Tanya? Here, take this and cast the rope off.
All right.
Where's the key? Where's the key?
In my coat, in the pocket.
All right, get out. Move. In the boat.
Okay, we're here at the Lunga Pier, or jetty, as it's called on one of the maps I looked at. This was a scene in From Russia with Love towards the end of the movie, where James, they get on the boat, and they're supposed to be in Turkey, but they're actually here in Scotland, and it's an area called Lunga House, and that's where this pier is, and they come down here, they get on the boat, they then go this way and head out into that area over there on the lake, and when they're out there, that's where they get chased by the boats, and James throws off the fuel barrels and blows them all up. So another beautiful area.